Hello friend, my name is Kausal Kumar. Today's programming is Armstrong number. What do you mean by Armstrong number? The numbers is the sum of its digit own digits raised to the power okay powers of the number of the numbers of digits given the number itself. Self means example like I given as examples like 153. So the number of digit is equal to 3 and the power of 1 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 and 3 to the powers. So we can written as 1 to the power 3, then sum 2, 3, 5 to the power 3 and the sum of 3 to the power 3 equal to 1 plus 5 to the power 3 is 125 plus and the 3 to the power 3 is 27. Now it becomes 153. Now the add the sum values equal to 153. So it's the number is Armstrong number. How we can find? First we find number of digits and then we give the powers and then we give the power. So we can by two ways we can. The main examples are examples like 153. So the numbers is from 0 to 9 is the Armstrong numbers, then 153 and 370, then 371, 371s and 407. There are lots of numbers they are coming and now these are coming, so we can find it is coming or not. So we can write a programs now. Go for programs. Here we can write a programs is coming or not. So first we create the package then we programs is created like first Armstrong number. So create a class name as Armstrong number Armstrong number. So all with the capitals in the camel casing format and then we created a class. Now we can give the size as a font size. Now first how count the numbers. So we create the methods. First we created the main methods. So we created the method like a public static int and the count digit count. So count digits First we count the numbers in the number. Count the digits in the number. So we can find the counts like a int count equal to 0. First we count, then going for while condition, while n not equal to 0, then we checks number of digit is present or not. So see count and then add, then we can decrease, like we can simply divide it by tens, so the last digit will be get out. So it outs, and the coming size return as a number, so return as a count. So we can find the count of the digits. First step is completed. Now we can check is correct or not. So going for main methods, so checking for main methods is coming out right or not. So then checking the right or not, so we can check. So this out is coming giving us same things or not. So count digits, so taken as a 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now the count the digits number is coming on a 3 3 6. So the output should be 6 or not. So we can check here, you can save as the output is 6. The count digit is working good. Now we can second we can give the power. Now we can give the power by using public static int and the power period hours, then giving it two things like a int numbers one and other is count, int c or a count. So we can create a one method for powers, then we can if c equal to 0, then return 1. If the 1 to powers is 0 is returning 1, so same things we can here we can returns, and then returns n and multiplying, so and giving as same things is power and giving it the same numbers, and we can subtract by c minus 1. So is the formula not in the recursion way, we can write here is coming what happened. I don't know what happens. So we can check is the giving a right answer or not. So we can here we can write is the power, we can check the power is coming good or not. So 6 to the powers is 3. So what was the answer? Now we can save the programs and now run the programs. So save the programs, it to 66 is giving a right, maybe right, okay. 5 to the power is 3, we can check save the programs and the check again. So 100 is giving a right powers. And third thing, we add the result, we add the power of the same things. So we can create here of the is public as Armstrong numbers formula or Armstrong numbers method statics boolean is giving a right or wrong. So we check a booleans is Armstrong. So we in the numbers we giving say the numbers in the number. Now we can take as Armstrong numbers is numbers. First we can count the digit, so we can give a one enter data types and variables counts, and we can count the digits of number n. So we can get the number of digits or count the digits, and then we can give another variables like a sums where we can initiate with 0 and taken as a one taken as a temp variables of n. We can store the temp variables of n. and then we can check if the Armstrong number is not. First while condition will go n not equal to 0, then we checks int resultants equal to n modulus by 10, so last digit is coming out, and then we can give the sum equal to sum plus power. We can generate the power here, and we can write the number is r, and the power is something's count. We can give a variable as count, so count. So here, so you can take an as count. The power is coming. Now count minus minus, or count minus minus or something. No, no, no. And then fill n is equal to n by 2. Then is coming on outs. So this condition totally I return sum equal to sum. Sums equal to 10. Is giving a right or not? First we check is coming or not. So we can save the programs, and where we can write programs like sys out. Here we can is Armstrong number or not. Now given as 153 is given or not, so we can save, and we can check is true. Giving a true is Armstrong numbers. Now check another programs is giving or not. So here, so we can check as 153. We can check another programs like 370. So 370 is Armstrong or not. So we can check is true, giving a true. And then others we can check like 249 is Armstrong not, is false, given false, so it's not Armstrong numbers. Is this a way we can write the programs of Armstrong numbers? Is a simply way you can write the Armstrong number. Now second is going for Armstrong numbers, and this is the Armstrong numbers. Okay, Armstrong numbers, and they give me the Armstrong numbers, and we can go for another programs as well. So like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for support.